paint correction process was, I was ready to get to that. And when I got to it, it was not intimidating, but it is a lot to it. It's not, it's not just, watch a video and do it. You have to touch those machines to learn. My name is Brandon Jackson. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina. I'm here because I wanted to learn the proper way to do a paint correction and ceramic coating and also detail to give my clients their best.
My name is Juans Experience. I'm from Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. I am here to learn how to clean cars correctly and to help open up a shop with my husband.
Yeah, my name is Juan Experience, and I'm also from Pittsburgh, and here to sharpen skills that I thought I already had. Turns out I don't, and came here and learned how to do the job correctly.
I was a truck driver before I came here for 13 years, so this is like a whole change for me.
I did professional dancing for 12 years, and then I also did dental assisting along with doggy daycare for 5 years.
And I'm a professional driver, trucking, over the road, flatbed for the past 5 years, and construction before that.
At first, it was a lot of information, and I kind of didn't understand all of that. But as we did more hands-on, it all came together, and I understood it way more. It was pretty easy after that.
And definitely a huge eye-opener. Changed my perspective on this completely, and definitely gave me more of a drive to get it done.
I learned a lot about sales, so I'm more confident about selling the services to my customers and clients because I feel more confident about them. I learned in-depth information on, I knew the surface coming in, but now I know in-depth information about what I'm selling. So I can sell it to my clients better.
I feel like because of the hands-on, I feel like I learned so much more. But like when you go to first do the work, it's really, really like you see all the scratches and so dirty. And then afterwards, you see how shiny and like almost like brand new afterwards. It's pretty cool for the results.
For sure, putting the product and work next to what we learned the day before, seeing the results come out, definitely changed. The car just changes completely before your eyes. When I first found out that the number of products weren't as many as I thought it was going to be. Here, the product does what it's supposed to with the name that it's supposed to. A lot simpler. Again, I thought we were going to be overwhelmed knowing this and that. Not at all.
Oh yeah, it was a lot harder than it is in your mind. So when you learn the proper way to do it, it's a little bit getting comfortable with actually knowing how to do it. So the comfortability level was something to get used to. But about a day in, I was comfortable about, doing it the right way. It was just definitely good to have somebody there that's been there, hands-on, in the field, that actually know what we're going to deal with when it comes to a good customer, a bad customer, or, we run into an issue with detailing. If we see this, we feel like it won't come out, that kind of thing. I needed that kind of training so that I could take it with me and learn.
Ruben's a fantastic teacher. He's super nice, super chill. Like my favorite teacher I've ever had so far. Of all my teachers I've ever had. He knows like so much, and he explains it at every detail, so it's easy for you to understand.
Also through my experience, also learning through a lot of jobs, I've had a lot of different teachers. Right off the bat, I knew that they weren't interested in teaching. Walking here, meeting Ruben for the first time. Right off the bat, he cut the crap. This is how it's done. Do it right. And he's right there with us, teaching us, along the way.
It's definitely better to be in a small class because we can ask questions, we can stop, we can actually see what each other's doing. So it's like when Ruben tells somebody else something, we can look over there and learn like that. It's not like we're in a class of 50 kids, 25 people or whatever. So we can see and hear everything during the whole class. So that was definitely a plus because some situations I didn't run into, but another person might have ran into, and I'm like, okay, I got to put that in my, my back pocket for later on. I learned from everybody's experience. So I like the smaller class. It fits me better. The paint correction process was, I was ready to get to that. And when I got to it, it was not intimidating, but it is a lot to it. It's not, it's not just, watch a video and do it. You have to touch those machines to learn. You have to touch those machines to actually feel it and know what to do. So I didn't understand it until really when I ran into that situation and he told me to keep going. That's when that's kind of when it clicked for me. Like, okay, I'm comfortable. I understand what I'm doing with paint correction now. So
I liked when he did the different fields of different polishers. Like the one felt like almost like a car wreck, and then the other one was like super smooth. So that one I was like really, really happy. Like I felt so confident using that one on the car.
also, realizing that, it's the only way to damage a car with these things is if you do it on purpose. So of course, you get the wrong tool, of course you're gonna go right through the car. But again, getting the right tools, like Ruben showed us here, again, any damage to the car is either complete carelessness or just on purpose. Doing it right, taking your time with it, you're not gonna have any problems.
Oh, I'm gonna go home and offer it and try to get as many clients as I can and get as many sales as I can with the ceramic code and put as much information out there as I can, and then hopefully I can offer another service by coming back to look for another class. You guys offer other things I like to learn, so I'm gonna take this and see how I can grow it and then go come back. That's my future goals with it. I'm Brandon Jackson. I'm from Charlotte, North Carolina, owner of Detail CLT. I came here to learn what I can learn and give my clients the absolute best.
My name is Janisa Islas, and this class is amazingly fun, and you learn so much, and I can't wait to start my own business with my husband.
Right. I'm Juan Islas from Pittsburgh, and stop wasting your time. You've read this, you've seen what we learned here. Stop wasting your time and start learning the right way.